In this tutorial I'm going to show how to mask a certain part of a photograph, in this case a red dress, in order to be able to adjust that dress and only the dress in, for example, another color. First off, I'm going to duplicate the background, copy in another layer. This way the background is safe, and I'm going to make a new adjustment layer in black and white. Press OK. Now I'm going to adjust the red channel until the dress is quite black. And make the other colorings of this black and white until I have a quite contrasting black and white version. Making the dress contrasting with the background, and even the arms of the model or the legs around here. Then I'm going to the channels panel, choose there the most contrasting of these. Drag that to the, create a new channel, and I want to make the dress totally white and the rest totally black. So I'm going to invert this picture by pressing Command I on the keyboard. I'm going to make a selection around the dress, making very sure not to touch any pixels on the dress itself. Invert the selection, make sure the background color is black, otherwise press X on the keyboard and then delete, so we have a complete black version. Now I'm going to zoom in on the part of the dress, and now I'm going to paint close to the edges. I have to make sure that the hair is separated from the mask. I'm going to put this in a overlay mode. I'm going to paint using soft edged, quite small brush, starting off with 10 pixels, maybe even less, 6 pixels. Change the mode back to normal. also click on the little square next to the RGB channel to see where my mask is showing with a red overlay. I can still keep painting as long as the new channel is selected. If I use the overlay method, the darker pixels or the white pixels might not be affected by where I paint. And if I misjudge, I can always use the white color to and this way I go all the way around the dress. As you can see, by using the method of painting in the overlay mode, the white parts are not affected, the light parts. Zooming out by pressing Command minus on the keyboard. I see I still need to paint some areas here. And I need to select the boots. So I'm going to zoom in on that area. And I'm going to paint again in the normal mode. Zooming out again, using a quite bigger brush. To paint over the areas that are still left. And up. And now I still have to paint on the hair area, zooming in there, quite pixelating the view, going back to soft edged. Keep changing the size of the brush. And that's about it.